In this session, we'll learn how to upload a PDF plan set into a BIM 360 Docs project. As you can see, we're picking up where we left off in the last session. I've got BIM 360 Docs open, and I'm sitting in a brand new project called Kensington Square. Now, before we begin the upload process, let's take a quick look at the PDF file we'll be working with. Here in Acrobat Reader, I've opened a PDF document called Kensington Square. This is a multi-sheet PDF. If I click the previous and next buttons at the top of the screen, I can flip through the various pages. As a side note, this PDF was printed from Civil 3D. That said, the authoring application really doesn't matter. PDF is considered an industry standard format, and BIM 360 will work with PDFs produced by virtually any application. After reviewing the PDF file, I'm going to jump back over to BIM 360 Docs. Now, I would like to upload this plan set into the Plans folder within my project. By uploading the PDF into this directory, BIM 360 Docs will automatically separate it into individual sheets. To upload the PDF, I'll make sure the Plans folder is selected. I can then upload by clicking this button or this one. I can also drag and drop into the directory if I wish. In this case, I'm going to select the PDF and I'll click Open. I will then click OK to begin processing the document. The file is then uploaded to the site, and I'm asked to select a layout template. Since this single PDF file is going to be separated into multiple PDF sheets, a template is used to extract information from the title blocks to ensure each sheet is logically named. Being this is the first time I've uploaded this document, I've not had a chance to create a template as of yet, so I'm going to click Continue to begin the template creation process. During this time, BIM 360 is scanning the sheets and looking at the title blocks. In this case, all of the sheets have the same title block, so I'm going to choose Define to start building the template. The first step in the template process is to identify the area of the title block containing the sheet number and title. I'm going to hold the mouse wheel down, and I'll drag this up, and then I'll roll the wheel forward to zoom in on the lower right corner. I will then come down and select the Image Crop tool, and then I'll click, hold, and drag to identify the area of the title block that I'm interested in. I'll click Next. I can then give my title block template a name. I'm going to call this Kensington Square TB. By naming this template, I can reuse it the next time I upload these plan sheets. Now I can select the area of the title blocks containing the sheet number and title. I'm going to drag this down. We'll start with the sheet number first. I'll click Select Area, and then I will click, hold, and drag to select that area of my title block. Notice that I'm selecting the title area in this case. Let's come down and click Title, and then I'm going to come down and click, hold, and drag and select the area containing the sheet number. Now, why did I reverse these? Well, this is a personal preference. For right now, please bear with me and I'll explain things in just a little bit. When I'm finished with my selections, I'll come up and click Save to save the title block template. At this point, BIM 360 Docs is scanning each sheet using the template to extract the attribution. Note that if you are working with a large plan set, you can always click this arrow to step away and let the process continue. You will receive an email when the extraction is complete. When finished, I can drag this slider up and down to review the extracted information and ensure everything looks good. I also have the ability to edit these attributes if necessary. In this case, everything looks fantastic. I'm going to come up and click Publish All. During this process, BIM 360 is associating the attribution with each plan sheet. Once again, you don't have to wait for this. You can click the arrow and step away if necessary. When everything is complete, I can review the processing. I've processed one PDF file and extracted 14 sheets. I'm going to come up and click Show in Folder to view them in the Folders view. I will then click, hold, and drag this column over to make the names a little easier to see. Just for a second, take a look at this title column. This is where I extracted the sheet numbers. I can sort this data by clicking the column header. I'm going to click and drag this slider to the right. Here we'll find the number column. This is where I extracted the sheet titles. Let me drag this back to the left. Notice there's another column here called Name. You see, by default, BIM 360 Docs assigns the sheet number as the name for each sheet. I would rather have the title assigned as the sheet name. At this point, you may be thinking, what's the big deal? Had you not reversed things, the sheet titles would have been over here, and the sheet numbers would have been in this column. That is correct. However, if I were to view these sheets as thumbnails here in the web browser or on a mobile device, each of these plan sheets would be labeled using a sheet number, which in a large or complex plan set can make it challenging to tell the sheets apart. By leveraging the sheet title instead of the number, I can easily identify each sheet regardless of how or where it's being viewed. So that's why I reversed things. Let's click to go back to the list view. Once again, this reversal technique is my own personal preference. I encourage you to extract your attribution in a way that best suits your needs. Okay, now that my plan set is uploaded, I'm ready to start collaborating. So we'll need to add some members to this project. We'll do that in the next session. Would you like to explore additional Autodesk Cloud collaborative ideas and workflows? If so, please visit the AEC Connection blog by scanning the QR code or by following the URL listed below.